The Treehouse Club is one branch of the outdoor education family tree. It's inspired by the Scandinavian education system, forest schools, and definitely Dr. Seuss. Oh, the places you'll go. Congratulations, today is your day. You're off to great places, you're off and away. You have brains in your head, you have feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself any direction you choose. As a permaculture club, we're guided by 12 core principles. And the theme that binds that all together is play. Because play is the language of children. In fact, it's the language of all of us. When we play, we are in a state of curiosity and interest. And that's when we do our deepest learning. If your child likes to play, then our beautiful wild wetland and forest and the farm and its plant and animal life is designed for them to learn in. Our guides are passionate and qualified to support each child's learning adventures. In keeping with the diversity principle and fair share ethic of permaculture, we keep our fees on a sliding scale. If this sounds like an ecosystem your family would thrive in, get in touch. We've only 10 spaces per term.